Today, we will walk through Tanium Deploy and software bundles. We are using a Tanium platform 7.3 and the deploy module 1.1.2 to accomplish this goal. You will find this feature by expanding a side menu, clicking on Software, and Software Bundles. Software bundles are a great way to deploy a series of packages to an endpoint. Some great use cases would be deployment to new systems that have just come on the network and receive the Tanium client. Targeted software can be installed to the endpoint once the actions are received. Update of applications to existing systems. We can help ensure consistent versioning across the enterprise. Installation of applications in a certain order. And also removal of unwanted software. Deploy allows you to create a package with just a removal operation. We can then deploy this bundle to systems and remove any software we don't want in the environment. So to create a new software bundle, simply click the new software bundle in the upper right corner. I'll go ahead and give it a name of my software bundle. And of course, platform being Windows. And you can leave a description here, never hurts. But also, just to simply add software to the bundle, all I have to do is click on the applications that I want to appear in the bundle. From here, I can reorder them by simply moving the touchpad and rearranging the order. I can also choose an action for each of these. So for example, I can choose update, install, remove, or in 1.1.2, a new feature called installer update. What this will allow us to do is if the software is previously installed and we've detected the update is available, we'll use the update. If not, we'll go ahead and use the install. I'm just going to select install for now. I'll do the same for Chrome. And then for the Labs client, it's a little bit different because notice I don't have the update or install or update options. The reason for this is because my Labs client doesn't have an update feature in it. So I'm going to go ahead and just select install. I can also choose what to do if one of these softwares may fail to install, and in this case, I'll go ahead and just continue. If Adobe Reader doesn't install properly, it'll allow Google Chrome to install in this particular case. When I'm finished, I could simply click on Create Bundle at the bottom of the screen, input my password, which is cache for the sake of time, and click OK. From here, I have all my software ready to go, ready for deployment.